Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a push-up I've been enjoying lately that has found its way into my daily 21s movement program. What I'm saying is I do this push-up every day for 21 repetitions. And I'm gonna use these. I actually talked about these on one of my podcasts about how I love using these for clients to take stress off of wrist and things, but these are actually push-up stands. So they're good for push-ups, but I like using them for this particular push-up because, well, it just allows my chest to get a little bit of stretch at the bottom and it just feels quite lovely. Anyway, enough talk. I'm gonna show you the push-up that has won its way into my heart daily for 21 repetitions. And so it's very similar to the Hindu push-up, kinda, at least it starts the same way. So we're gonna get into the downward dog position here, and I'm going to wave my body and lower myself down and just hover right above the floor. So I can feel my shirt is touching the floor, my chest is almost touching the floor, but it's not quite. And then from here, I'm gonna push back up to the down dog. So enough talk, this is just it. And I like this because there's a neat rhythm and flow to it. So you can try to create that wave through your body and then lower yourself down smoothly. So it's like a whip. It's like, and then at the end, the head goes, or not. But again, this just feels great. So it really opens up the chest here. Good for the overhead position here, opening up the shoulders. It's neat to try to feel that wave go through your body and to lower yourself down smoothly in a rhythm of the flow. And then you push yourself back up to the down dog. It's simple, and I may have accidentally shown you this before, although I don't think I have, and I know I certainly haven't shown you this before with these things. But give that a shot. Like, it just feels good. And if you don't have the strength to do this yet, you could still do it from the hands and knees position from rocking, and you just rock back, and then you work on the rhythm of lowering yourself down smoothly and come forward. And you could make a wave out of this too. So you could get the tailbone, tuck it towards you, and then roll your body down, and then back up. So it's like, so it's almost like cat-cow maneuver, rolling cat-cow to here. Anyway, guys, that's my new favorite push-up flavor of the week, or the last month or so. Give that a shot, let me know what you think. You don't have to do it 21 times. You could try for, once first and see if you like it once, to do it twice and work your way up. And you can obviously do it more than 21 times if you want to. And you don't have to do it every day. But if you do it, I think you'll like it. All right, guys, that's it for this week. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time. To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification. Visit originalstrength.net for more information.